welcome back. Very good morning to all of you again. Just a short introductions of what we are doing. Okay, my name is Loganathan, but people call me. In short, you can call me Logan. I'm a Chief Technology Officer and co-founder of Pendolab Travel Limited, a Singapore-based company where we are working on the blockchain solutions. Okay. Okay, that's good. Now, when we started into year 2018, when we were looking at for a blockchain solution, most of the blockchain solutions that we have those days is more toward fintech solutions, more into financial tools. Okay? So then, in order to create better solutions for everyone, we started what we call Pendo projects. Okay? The Pendo projects is actually basically projects where we want to build a bridge for everyone to easily tap into blockchain technologies. Okay, so you can decentralize your applications. You can move into blockchain applications easily without any complexity. This is what Pendo project is all about. It's a project where we want to give a solutions, plug and play solutions for everyone, not only individual but also companies. So this is where we started to work on 2018. So the applications run on our native blockchain technology that we have built. Okay. So what the Pendo project works is that it's run on an app installed in your phones, in your computers, in your servers. Okay. So it does not need to install your mining machine like what Bitcoins or Ethereum does. Okay, it does not use that because we want to go into green technology. So this is where we came up with these better solutions, where it's cheaper and more more optimized in a way that more efficient in how we move into blockchain. So it's easy for each and everyone to go into blockchain and decentralize your applications. So as I said, we don't use the mining machine. We use all the devices that you have in your hand, like for example your laptops, your phone. Most of these help us in how we decentralize your nodes. Okay, so this is basically how we want to do that. Now, how do we apply these in how this will benefit you? Number one, in easy decentralization. As I said, we want to break the bridge. We want to move it into the bridging. So one is that easy decentralization, so you can easily decentralize whatever applications that you want to build in the blockchain industry. Second thing is that wider adoptions. You can adopt to many things. All right. Not only we have developed what we call blockchain info as a service, but in that blockchain info as a service, not only we develop applications, but we also have like decentralized storage, decentralized file sharing, decentralized live streaming. So give you a complete ecosystem, whatever use case that you want to work with. Okay. Now it also have a better security because in our technology we build 2 layers of security, not one, but 2 layers of security. So when you understand more, so you can work. In better way that you need a better security for your applications, right? So we worked on the better security for you to work on this blockchain environment. Second thing is easy accessible. If you, as I said, it is in a plug and play environment, so it's easy accessible to you. You does not need to create more complexity in the way that you work on applications. Okay, it's easy for you to decentralize your applications. The third one is that of course any application that you build, you can also look into this decentralizing it by adopting our technology. Now we also looking into how to create a solution in energy industries. Okay, so one of the things that we have worked on is P2P energy trading. So now that P2P energy trading need the solutions, right? And it is becoming increasingly in every country. So they are looking for P2P energy trading. It's very interesting subject to discuss. It's very interesting things to look into. P2P how because right now consumer become a prosumer. They produce and also they use. So when they produce, there is an accessibility where what happened to access energy, what they do with the excess energy. So there isn't a way where you can sell your energy. So we call it P2P energy trading. This is where we are bringing our solution into it. Easily can adapt our solutions into it. So what? Because it is efficient for P2P trading, easy payment, solutions. It gives you a cost effective, and it creates supply and demand. So it creates supply and demand, and we want energy democracy can be achieved using our technology. Of course, this is the efficient P2P tradings where we can categorize where you harness your energy. For example, solar energy or windmill energies. So we can differentiate which energy is there, and how people are selling their energy, and what price that you can buy the energy. So it's a P2P. Like for example, you are selling it to your neighbor. So how this ecosystem works. So this is where the our solutions will help you if you want to adapt into if you want to adopt our technology based on your solutions that we have. And of course, on the easy payment, you can choose any payment that you want to pay. All your banking payments that we have easily can be integrated with our solutions. So what is the benefit of P2P energy trading? Number one is cost effectiveness. Cost effective. It reduces the transaction costs. Right? Because what we do is that we remove the middleman. It does not need to have this middleman. So you deal directly with this buyer and seller. This is how we call it, to achieve a democracy in our energy distributions. All right. Number two is that create supply and demand. So now publics or anybody in this ecosystem can create the supply and demand. If you want, you can buy it. If you want to sell, you can sell it in this environment. Okay, and of course the third one is to achieve the energy democracy without a middleman playing the role. Where he controls the price. It is willing buyer, willing sellers kind of effectiveness that this is what P2P trading is all about. So another things that we created, because what we call is energy tracking app. All right. So now you have a better understanding of how you are using your energies. With the app that we have created. Like for example, you can manage energy through your app. How much you produce, how much you sell, what is the current storage. Those are the information that you can get it from the app. Next thing is that, of course, is the secure data. As I said, we create 2 layers of security. So your data is very secure. Third one is you have a real-time energy tracking. All right. So it is real-time. What is the how much energy is being produced by your solar panel, for example. How much energy that you have right now, then how much energy that you're selling, and what price that you're selling. So you can track it at the real time. And the fourth one, reliability and transparent reporting. You have because this is a decentralized. Okay, no single persons are controlling it. It's decentralized. You decide and you approve it, right? So it is more toward reliability and transparency. Everybody can see what is happening in these ecosystems. Grid optimizations, of course, with this smart grids that we have, smart solution that we can have these grid optimizations as well. And of course, in order to bring more people into it, we can incentivize, we can play more programs into it, because green energy, we're talking about, how do we move into green energy. So we can incentivize, those players in these ecosystems. This is some kind of, this is how you manage your day-to-day, energy through our apps. Okay, then of course, as I said, we have a real-time. Just to summarize it, this app will give you real-time energy tracking, reliability, and transparent reporting, and grid optimizations, and incentive programs that I just now mentioned. Okay, so then security data. So now what we are offering on a Pendo blockchain, what is that? What is the benefit of it? If you look at it, what is the difference between us and other people, in terms of giving these blockchain solutions? Number one is reduce infrastructure costs. It does not incur a big cost for you. So we are looking at it how to reduce, infrastructure costs at your side. Number one. Number two, it is native open source. It means you have full control of what you're going to do with our open source approach. So it's open source. You can do and take the codes and you manipulate to your benefits. This is what we want to. We are our approach is. So you can actually take our entire project's code and you can actually basically tailor it for your solutions. And of course, you can build and deploy your own cryptos. So I'm sure you also basically understand how the crypto environment works, and you can actually create your own crypto for your projects. In short, these Pendo projects are powered by PETX. We call it. This is our governance token, and it support every infrastructure supported with the PETX. Of course, all these available wallet out there is supporting our PTX. We are probably in Albanks, and these are the most of these big giants in the cryptocurrency have attacked us, because we are emerging technology that we're going to bring it in the future. So right now we are focusing on the bringing these solutions to in energy industries. Okay, so this is basically about us. Thank you so much. Later we will be sharing. I'll be sharing more what we are doing in Pendo Lab. Thank you so much.
Wow, that's interesting. Maybe you try.